Hi everyone, I'm Princess A.L. Swalog from 12 Unity, and today I'll be sharing something that's actually connected to how we live and deal with people every day. Before we start, let me ask you a few questions. Have you ever felt connected to someone just because they understood you? Or maybe, have you ever felt happy when someone comforted you when you were sad? Those simple moments are actually part of intersubjectivity. It's about how we relate and connect with others. But before we begin our presentation, let's have a short prayer. So, how do we relate with others? As human beings, we're naturally social. We love to talk, share, and connect with others. Our ability to interact with people comes from being aware of ourselves and realizing that others have feelings too, just like us. When we understand that, it becomes easier to connect and have real relationships with other people. That's what makes us truly human, knowing that others feel, think, and care just like we do. So, what exactly is intersubjectivity? It's the unique relationship between different people, distinct individuals who connect through understanding, empathy, and respect. It's when we become aware not just of ourselves, but also of how others see and experience us. This awareness helps us act kindly, listen better, and communicate more meaningfully. Now, sometimes we act differently depending on who we're with. This is called seeming. For example, we might behave one way in class but another way with friends. But true connection happens through dialogue, when we communicate sincerely using words, tone, and even body language. Through dialogue, we share a part of who we are, and we open up space for others to do the same. A genuine human interaction happens when two people open up to each other without pretending or judging. It's when both are willing to share, listen, and accept each other's differences. When we do this, we create a space where both sides feel valued and understood, where dialogue becomes a bridge between equals. Intersubjectivity can be seen in three things. Number one, we have empathy, or when we try to feel what others feel. Number two, we have sympathy, when we care and feel with them. And lastly, availability, or when we're willing to be there for others. Another important idea is the ethics of care. It's about the moral side of relationships. It teaches us that caring for others, especially those who are vulnerable, isn't just nice. It's our responsibility. When someone is struggling, the ethics of care reminds us not to look away, but to reach out and help. But not all human interactions are positive. Sometimes, people treat others as objects or use them for personal gain. This is called alienation, when we stop seeing others as real people with value and feelings. Alienation destroys genuine connection, and it's something we must all try to avoid by practicing empathy and care. To end, intersubjectivity reminds us that being human means being with others. It's about understanding, caring, and growing together because no one exists alone. So, next time we talk to someone, listen deeply, smile genuinely, and remember every person you meet is another version of humanity, just like you. Thank you for listening, and may we all continue to build stronger and more meaningful connections every day.